So recently, Sonas added the functionality of creating your own appointment types. So let's take a look. We're going to navigate down to company. So you do need company permissions to access this. We'll scroll down to appointment config. Here you will see the 3 appointment types that we've had for a while. So show around, item delivery, and meeting. You now have labels, so you can rename them to reflect how you as a venue refer to these things. So if you don't use the term show around, but you use viewings, you can change that, or venue tour, or whatever you call it. So you can rename it and save. You will also now have the opportunity to create 3 new appointments as you see fit. So you can name them and then enable them. So I could use show around to be viewing 1. And now I can create a viewing 2 and enable that. This is also an opportunity to do an open house. So if you do open houses or open days that are appointment based, so we're seeing a lot of venues do that in order to control traffic, or else everyone shows up at the same time. You can create the open house custom appointments, enable it, and now have appointments like every 20 minutes to stagger arrival times for your open house. Other appointments I've seen, you could have meetings, planning meetings, virtual meetings. So anything that you want to support in your workflow. Again, making sure you're naming them and enabling them, and of course, hitting save. Now, please note, currently, at the time of this recording, only show rounds, this main show round, is available for reporting purposes. So if you're doing your show round conversion rates, and only this meeting is available for counts in your reports. We will be adding your custom appointments into reporting functionality in the near future, but at the time of recording, we're at 4.582. The reporting is going to be on those core appointments that we've had for a while. So do take note of that. Now, when you create these new appointment types, they will pull through where you expect them to. In that, if we go to the venues, if I now go down to my calendar availability, and I wanted to create new calendar availability, I now have all of the active availabilities as I've named them. So I can control that there. I will find it on my filter in the calendar to see that. And when I'm creating manual appointments for a customer, those will be popping down. So they are pulled through for you. So really think through what you need. You don't want to just have your sales team create a bunch of different sales appointments and then not have your 6-month meeting and your final planning meeting if the events team needs that. So it's something to look at as an organization to make sure you use those 3 additional spots as needed.